Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Destiny. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell to get more videos. In this video, I'll be giving us illustration on how to make a side vent for our senator and folding the length as well. Okay, so as you can see, this is the one I made. So I will start afresh now to give us the full detail. Okay, so first of all, I will close my side senator. I'll close the size. Okay, so the extra allowance I left is 2.5 inches. Okay, that's what you need for this vent to look okay and matured. All right, so as you can see, you have to put it together and arrange so that you make a nice finishing while stitching and closing the side. Okay, so I will be going down with 1 inches down, just like this, 1 inches down, and I will go all through. All right, the reason is because I already weaved the cloth itself, so there, and finish it. I'll give a curve, a little curve here. All right, so I've done that, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so let me show you how to fold. So look at the one I made earlier. As you can see, that's the front. You are folding to the front. Okay, so this one also will come in just like this. Okay, so I'll have to iron it down. Okay, all right, so I've done my ironing. I will have to open now, but while opening you should hold it together so it will move. Okay, all right, this is how it looks like. I've done the opening. This is how it looks like inside, so I will just have to use my iron now to do the rest of the work. Position very well and you iron very well. Okay, so please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell to get more videos whenever I upload a new video. Alright, so I've done the ironing and this is how it looks like. It's very neat and cool. It's okay. So I'll make my stitching now from down part alone. Okay, you won't sew together because I want to together because I don't want to close everywhere. Okay, with a little slant curve. All right, so I'm using a black thread so it will show very well. Okay, so this is how it looks like. If you can't be able to follow it, you draw it like this. I'll still give my slant like this and my shape. Alright, so I'm stitching only the front, alright, alone. So there is no point of me folding this one because I have already done the weaving. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I've done the running. Okay, so you see I have a little design there. All right, so I'll just turn over for you to see how it looks like. I'll turn to the front and this is how it looks like. So ironing is still allowed because it enables you have a nice work. So this is how it looks like. The both side is all okay. So the next thing I'll be doing is folding the length of my fabric, my senator, sorry. So I'll iron down very well. Okay, so I will. So as you can see here, we should be open. Okay, here should be open this way. All right, so I'll then fold my length. Okay, so make sure you iron very well. So I'll be using my hemming gum to close the length itself. Alright, because I don't want to make a stitching here. Okay, so I'm placing it inside for me to stitch very well. Sorry, for me to gum very well. Okay, so just take your time and do this way. You will still have a nice work. So after placing it down, I'll just sprinkle a little water on top and iron very well. Okay, so I'm ironing down. So while ironing, just don't forget to use your lapping iron, okay? You need your lapping iron so that it will lap very well and relax as well, okay? So I've done that for the back side because I started with the back itself. Okay, don't forget to leave here open, okay? Just leave the downside open. If you close it, it won't be okay. The cloth won't enter the person at all, so it should just be open this way. Alright, so I've done that and I'm closing. So while closing, just make sure you have a straight line. Make it equal everywhere, equal. Alright, both the up and the down, the sides. Alright, so I will just place my front on top of it. Okay, now I have a nice and a good ironing, so I'll just turn over to the back like this. As you can see, my front is still showing. All right, so I'll make my folding now for the front. All right, okay, so for me now to have this nice folding, I will just put it this way, fold on top of my back side to have a line. So after that, I'll just remove the back, and as you can see, it's all equal and okay. So that's how I fold my senators, just like this. So I will then put my hemming gum as well for the front. Okay. Alright, so after that, sprinkle water again and iron very well. Alright, so give this a try on your senator. I believe it will be okay. My name is Destiny, and this is ND Fashion Concepts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell to get more of my videos whenever I upload. Alright, so we are done doing this, and this is how it looks like. It's very neat. So do not forget to be part of us, and see you in my next video. Alright, and stay safe, stay out of trouble, and have a nice and wonderful day. Bye. Thank you.